Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show here how you annotate, and this what be really important to help you on this progress. First, you're gonna start using sticky notes on toolbar or press shift N. I would better press shift N here, but it doesn't appear sticky note. So as soon as possible, we were about to type a comment or design notes. So about to group these elements and change colors to organize. So maybe we can start to go for plugins right here, which is right on the bat, and start with adding a sticky note. So maybe the sticky note is looks like that we have over here as a comment, or you can start with a comment here, and this will be about a sticky note, but it doesn't appear by the way. Okay, so we can start right here and enter. Now we can start to see this note is really like to be on as you have, and that is all about here guys. To start to add a note here, also you can add a copy of it if you want. Control C and then Control V, and that is all about here to help you through this video guys, and good luck.